As you can see, we can earn $1,700 per month through this site in master level.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will share with you about the way to earn money from the internet. This is the easy way to make money I have ever seen. No investment is required for this. You can earn up to $500 and more per month just by watching ads and solving tasks. I have shared the website registration link in the comment section. Let's get started. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency and exploring a platform that's been making waves lately, Trumpik.io. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things crypto. Now, let's jump right into it. Trumpik is a cutting-edge platform built on the Tron blockchain, offering a range of innovative features for crypto enthusiasts and investors. From decentralized finance to gaming and more, Trumpik is revolutionizing the way we interact with digital assets. Whether you are looking to trade your favorite cryptocurrencies, participate in yield farming, or explore exciting gaming opportunities, Trumpik has something for everyone. One of the standout features of Trumpik is the decentralized exchange, which allows users to trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies securely and efficiently. But that's not all. Trumpik also offers staking opportunities, allowing users to earn rewards by locking up their tokens and supporting their network. With competitive rewards and flexible staking options, it's a great way to put your crypto to work. First of all, let's talk about the Trustpilot score. Achieving a 4.8 star on Trustpilot is a remarkable feat that speaks volumes about the reputation and credibility of a business or service. This high rating signifies an overwhelming positive experience for the majority of users who engage with the company, product, or platform. Here are a few key reasons why a 4.8 stars rating on Trustpilot is significant. First of all, exceptional customer satisfaction. Consistently receiving such high ratings indicates that the majority of customers are extremely satisfied from the Trustpilot. The second is the trust and reliability. Trustpilot is a trusted platform for user-generated reviews, and a high rating here signals trustworthiness and reliability. Potential customers are more likely to trust and engage with a business that has a strong rating on Trustpilot, as it serves as a testament to the company's commitment to customer satisfaction and transparency. The third is a positive brand image. A 4.8 stars rating contributes significantly to building a positive brand image. Positive reviews and high ratings enhance the reputation of the business and differentiate it from competitors. This can lead to increased brand loyalty, word of mouth referrals, and ultimately growth and success in the market. Let's talk about the how to register and earn money from the Trumpik. Trumpik's sign-up process is straightforward and user-friendly. Users are guided through a series of steps to create their accounts with clear instructions provided at each stage. The registration form asks for basic information such as the first username, email address, and password, ensuring a quick and hassle-free sign-up experience. Your username must be unique. Select a username that unique and different from other usernames on this platform. Also, your email address must be valid because the Trumpik sends a confirmation email to your email address, and you must verify it to earn from this site. Then also password must be strong. Also the this option is referrer option. This referrer is optional because if you Now, some YouTuber or influencer that has referral link, you can apply it and earn some coins from the trumping. Also, you must confirm you are not robot and click the sign up button. After registration, we can now go from our investment to make money for free. As you can see, every hour we can earn our hourly TRX by linking to the present site and registering. Let's go to the second site. If you register from this site, Trumpic will give you a certain amount of TRX. Let's look at the second way to earn our daily bonus TRX. As you can see, it will be in random form. After pressing the roll button, we can win our TRX depending on the range of randomly falling numbers. From here, I earned 0.1 TRX and this amount was added to my balance. Let's jump to the games section. You can increase your account many times through the games you can see here. In my opinion, the simplest game among games is dice. Here, you can increase your account by betting a certain part of the amount in your account. Currently, our winning chance is equal to 48%. Since the multiplier is 2x, when we win, the amount we bet will be multiplied by 2. Among the games, another interesting game was the mines game. As you can see here, you can increase the total profit by increasing the number of mines. We can increase bet amount by clicking these sections. Also, we can change the number of mines. These mines, by according the number of these mines, the profit on the next tile is changed. For example, we can try it. Let's try it. As you can see, total profit increases by clicking the gems. I step on the mine, I lose all my bet. Also, I can automatically bet this game. In contest section of the Trumpic.io, players are invited to partake in exhilarating competitions where the stakes are high and the rewards are even higher. Here's a closer look at what you can expect. The first thing I can expect is the diverse range of the contest. Trumpic.io hosts a diverse array of contests catering to various gaming preferences and skill level. Whether you excel at the classic card games like poker, have a knack for strategy in tournaments, or enjoy the thrill of the luck in random giveaways, there's a contest for everyone. Also, the uh, rewards are very high, but the real allure lies in the rewards. Trumpic offers enticing prizes and rewards for contest players, ranging from the cryptocurrency bonuses to exclusive in-game perks. Also, the community interaction for participating in contests also allows players to engage with a vibrant Trumpic community. Also, we can share tips, strategies, and experiences with other gamers. The next section is the survey section. Uh, the survey section displays the sites you have served. Through this section, you can analyze the sites you have surveyed and their numbers. Making deposit of the Intropic is quick, easy, and secure. Simply navigate to the deposit section of the website or app and follow these steps. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency from the available options such as Tron. Also generate a unique deposit address or scan the provided QR code. Transfer your desired amount of cryptocurrency from your personal wallet or exchange account the provided address. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain network, your deposit will be credited to your Tropic account, and you will be ready to start playing your favorite games or participating in the contest. Also, withdrawing your winnings from the Tropic is just as straightforward as making a deposit. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the withdraw section, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw, and provide the external wallet address where you want funds to be sent. Confirm the withdrawal request and wait for it to be processed by the Tropic team. Once the withdrawal is approved, the request amount will be sent to your external wallet, and you will receive a confirmation notification. The settings section of the Tropic allows you to customize and manage various aspects of your account to enhance your gaming experience. Also, you can change your security settings and update your current password. You can enable the two-factor authentication for an added layer of security to protect your account from unauthorized access. Affiliate programs are a fantastic way for users to earn additional rewards while introducing others to the platform. Tropic offers an enticing affiliate section where users can benefit from referring friends to the gaming community. The affiliate section typically outlines the commission structure and reward tiers offered by Tropic. Users might receive a percentage of the referred user gaming profits, transaction fees, or other revenue generated by their activity on the platform. The more active and successful the referred users are, the higher the potential rewards for the referrer. To facilitate the transparency and the accountability, Trumpik provides users with access to a comprehensive dashboard within the affiliate section. Here, users can track their referral activity, monitor earnings, and access detailed reports on referral performance. The contact section on the Trumpik serves as a direct line of communication between users and the platform support team. Trumpik typically provides a user-friendly contact form where users can submit uninquiries, questions, or feedback directly to support team. Overall, the contact section of the Trumpik plays a crucial role in facilitating communication between users and the platform's support team. By providing various channels for users to reach out for assistance or provide feedback, Trumpik aims to ensure a positive and seamless user experience for all its users. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and until the next time, happy gaming on the Trumpik.io.